This is Natasha Copeland, and today I'm bringing you the second half of my September makeup haul. And what I did was I went to Ulta and I picked up the gingerbread. Well, I had it shipped to me. The gingerbread spice. It smells just like gingerbread. Makes you want to have gingerbread cookies way before Christmas. It just smells so delicious, like you could just eat them. So I'm going to swatch this one here, which is called Spite Eggnog. Look how pretty that is. So I'm going to swatch Hot Toddy. Look at the color payoff. So pretty. I look forward to enjoying this palette. So while I was there, I picked up this here. This was part of the 21 days of the program that they had going on. And this is a coconut cream moisture hand gel, which is going to come in great use for me because I'm one of those people that have OCD when it comes to washing my hands. My hands have to smell good when I'm done, and it has to be scrubbed really hard. And that's just part of coming off of being an EMT, where you have to scrub your hands in between patients. So now I have OCD about it, even though I'm not working as an EMT anymore. I have to scrub my hands, so I look forward to using that. So on eBay, there was a private seller. She was getting rid of all her brand new makeup because she was going organic with organic makeup. So I picked this up. As you can see here, so I'm going to swatch this. The Peach Passion. Oh my goodness, isn't that just gorgeous? So I'm going to hit up Peach Ice. Isn't that just pretty? That is so pretty. I look forward to using that as well. So while I was on eBay, I know I'm kind of late on this one, but I picked up the Kat Von D lipstick, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to swatch that. That is what it looks like. So I went through Sephora and I picked up this here Pat McGrath palette. Let's see if I can open this. Now the paper that was in here did poke through it, so I got rid of it, but I guess it was a little too late. So I'm going to test this one, swatch it. Isn't it just gorgeous? Look at that. So I'm going to swatch the brown one. There's a little fallout from it. Look at that. Just so pretty. So while I was at Sephora, I picked up the Pat McGrath eyeliner, which I have already started to use, and it lasts for like 12 to 16 hours. Really good. I fell asleep with my makeup on and woke up to it still being on there. It was a little smudged, but it was still there. And that's what that looks like. And this is the pencil. Now the palette costed me $55 and the pencil was $24 and some change. So, not too bad. And it also comes with a pencil sharpener. So, and that's what it looks like. So, while on eBay, I picked up the Marion setting powder. And how you use this is you put on your primer, then you put this on as a setting powder, and then you put your foundation and then your concealer on. Now I did use this for a birthday party, and it was, we went to Chuck E. Cheese for my 9-year-old nephew's birthday party, and it was kind of hot in there, And only thing I end up doing was there was no perspiration from my face, just a little dew. That was it. It just looks like someone had missed my face with some with some shine in it. So I had no sweating, no moving of the makeup, and they have to do that because this is also used in theaters where there's heavy lights that is like beaming on them and could make them sweat. So this really works really well. I enjoyed it. It worked really well. So I also went on to ColourPop and I picked up their new palette called Good Sport. So I will swatch this for you too. Let's go with this one. And this one is called Rookie. Look how gorgeous that is. So I'm going to hit up Wild Out. Isn't that pretty? So while there, I picked up the lipstick. And this is part of the new collection as well. And this is called Pencil Me In. Look at the stars on there. See that? So let's swatch this. And look how pretty the color is. That is just gorgeous. And I love me some lipstick, but I'm partial to eye palettes. So I also picked this up on eBay, which is the e.l.f. eyeliner in charcoal. I picked up 6 for $14. That's a very good bargain. So I went on to Macy's site to look for some makeup and see what was new with them. And they had the new Juicy Couture palette just for Macy's. So let me swatch this for you guys. I'm going to go with this one because there's no names on these. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? So let's swatch the blue one. Look at that. That color is so pretty. So this is okay, the names are on the back. These are the eyeshadows and the highlighters. So let me swatch the highlight, one of the highlights for you. Look at that. Isn't it just so pretty? Well, that concludes my makeup haul for the month of September. And I'd like to thank you for watching. So you have a good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on when you're watching this. And God bless. Bye.